Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, well, my friend Jason Barrows is going to show you how to make some amazing desserts. Instead of me telling you what it is, I'm going to let him do it.
Hi everyone, I'm Jason Barrows with jerryjamesstone.com. Today we're going to make a classic whipped cream and that you can put on just about anything. Here we go. All right, we've got our heavy whipping cream here. We're going to add that to the bowl. We have a pint here. And we've got our sugar, a couple of tablespoons, and of course our vanilla. Since we've got liquid in the bowl, we don't want to start this off very fast, so we're just going to start really low and slow for about a minute. Once your cream thickens slightly, then you can turn it on a little bit quicker, and this will go a lot faster. So here we go. So I'm going to take a look. What we're looking for is a soft peak, and the way that you can tell is by taking your whisk, dipping it down into the whipped cream, and looking at it to see if there's a peak. So let's go ahead and do that now. And the reason why you want soft peak is that you want your whipped cream to have structure but not be too firm and not too runny. And so as it is right now, we are too runny. Okay, so we're going to spin the whipped cream for another minute or two just to see if we can get this a little firmer. Just be really careful because it can go stiff pretty quick. So the importance of how stiff or soft your peaks are depends on what it is that you're doing with it. You don't want it runny, so you want this, if you're going to be layering any kind of dessert, you want it to still have structure but still, be creamy. If you take it too far and it gets too hard, you will start tasting butter. It will actually turn into butter, and you definitely don't want that. So here we have soft peak whipped cream ready for any dessert that you have. So that's how you make classic whipped cream. It should take you about 5 or 10 minutes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.